Hey guys, this is Tanveer and you're watching millionstack YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your OBS Studio settings to a default mode. So guys, we make a lot of changes while we are playing the games or recording the screen. We come up with the new settings and we make changes in the settings. So we are unable to sometimes we mess up with the settings, but we are unable to revert it back. Might be some we forgot what we have before. So guys, today I'm gonna show you, but you are not able to find any option in the settings like reset to default settings. So what you need to do is, firstly you have to open your OBS Studio and you have to go to File, and then you have to click over here Show Settings folder, and then you see the directory of. So guys, what you need to do here is you have to select this all files and folder, then you have to right click and you have to delete this all files and folders. Before deleting the files, you have to close the OBS current window and then delete it. For the sake of video, I'm not going to close this window because I am recording my screen. After deleting the files, you have to relaunch your OBS Studio, and then you will see the default settings of your OBS Studio. So guys, this is the quickest solution for you guys. If you found useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know in the comment section if you have any queries regarding OBS Studio. So I will reply you and will meet you in the comment section. Thank you. Goodbye.